Hello boys and girls. Today we are working on lesson 114 in our Saxon math book, and we are going to be measuring this line segment using centimeters. So we go to the metric side of our ruler, start at 0, and I would say it's approximately 10 centimeters. Draw a 1 3/4 line segment, and we're going to be using inches. So you start at 0 and you go past the 1.5 mark, and it's halfway between the half and the next hole, which is 2. So that's 1 3/4 inches. At 4 p.m. the temperature in Phoenix was 97 degrees Fahrenheit. At midnight the temperature was 23 degrees Fahrenheit lower. What was the temperature at midnight? So our largest number is 97 degrees Fahrenheit. We had a difference of 23 degrees Fahrenheit. So what makes 97? 23 plus what? 3 plus 4 equals 7. 2 plus 7 equals 9. So 74 degrees Fahrenheit. And I could write that 97 degrees Fahrenheit minus 23 degrees Fahrenheit equals 74 degrees Fahrenheit. How much change will you receive if you pay $1 for each of these? Now I'm going to try to show you a mental way to do this. So first you need to make it go up to the nearest 10. So to get to 10 you add 6, because 6 plus 4 is 10. So that makes it 30. 30 plus what equals 100? 70. So you would get 76 cents. How do you get to 10? 1. That makes it 80. 20 plus 80 equals 100. Fill in the missing dimensions of the rectangles. So if we're doing area, area is length times width. So what is 3 times what equals 21? 3 times 7 equals 21. 8 times what equals 16? 8 times 2 equals 16. 3 times 47. And they put 47 in expanded form, so that would be 40 plus 7. So 3 times 4 tens is 12 tens. 3 times 7 is 21, and then you just add it up. 100, 4 tens, and 1 0. Same thing here. You're going to go 5 times 900 plus 10 plus 8. So we've written this in expanded form, and we just drop down those addition signs. 5 times 9 is 45 hundredths. 5 times 10 is 50. 5 times 8 is 40. So what is my total? I have 4,500. 50 plus 40 is 90. And 0 ones. Fill in the number line. So let's see, we're going to go by ones. So then I'm going to go backwards by 1. That goes -1, -2, -3, -4. Put a point at +2 and label it D. -3 R, -2 E, +1 A. Show 1/4 on the clock. So 1/4 till, or 1/4, it's not quite 8 o'clock. It's 7 something. And if we were to cut this in quarters, it would look something like this, or fourths. And you would go 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. So if I skip counting by 5, starting at 30, 35, 40, 45, be 7:45. Fill in the answers. So I'm just going to add this up. 2 + 8 is 10. So I carry my 10 over to the tens place. 1 + 9 = 10 + 2 more equals 12 tens. And I'm going to regroup with my 100 over here because 10 tens make 100. 1 + 6 + 4 is 11. Once again, I need to regroup. 1 + 4 = 5 thousandths. Now we're going to be subtracting. You need to pay attention to those symbols. 8 - 5 = 3. 6 - 7 you can't do. So I'm going to borrow from the hundreds place and give 10 tens over to the tens place. 16 - 7 would be 9. And that leaves 100. And that concludes today's lesson.